Do you know that people have made a lot of money online by using YouTube? I'm allowing you to take your place next in line right now. Have you ever thought about how people make money on the platform? Stay with me because today I'm going to show you how to make $25,000 or more by just uploading easy-to-edit videos. Make sure you stick around to the finish of this tutorial because I have a special bonus tip for you and you won't miss anything. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. So today, we're going to use YouTube.com to make some money online. Not only will I show you someone who has done so himself, but I will also teach you how to improve your results and make even more money. So stay tuned and keep an eye out. Anyway, now I'd like to talk to you about a channel called Gaming Sound FX. The owner of this channel, as the name implies, generally uploads copyright-free sound effects to their channel. As you can see, the majority of these videos are under 5 seconds long and contain only a single image rather than video. Making videos like this is ridiculously simple, which is one of the reasons you want to do it. Another important reason to make them is that you won't have to upload them very often. This channel's most recent video was 6 minutes ago. As you can see from the date stamps on these videos, the owner only uploads about 10 to 20 sound effects per month. Another important reason to make these videos is that they are really popular. These most recent videos all received hundreds of thousands of views, and when you look at the most popular videos on the channel, you'll notice that they each received millions of views. The video with the most views received 15 million views. The second one received 12 million views. The third received 9.6 million, and the fourth received more than 8 million. See why you should try your hand at this. These sound effects videos are extremely famous because they are frequently used by other YouTube content makers. Later on, I'll show you how to take advantage of this to generate even more money. I want you to go to socialblade.com to get the sense of how much money you can make by publishing those kinds of videos. Let's take a look at the previous channel's earnings. As you can see, the channel is still producing between $4,000 and $66 per month in pure passive income, despite the fact that the most recent video was uploaded 6 months ago. Because the figures are usually in the middle, it implies we're talking about at least $25 every month. Isn't that insane? So now you can have a glimpse of the extra income you might be getting in the near future. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code Sound Effects as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. Let me show you how to make these kinds of videos now that you have all of that knowledge regarding your potential revenue. Let's begin with how to get those sound effects. Simply go to soundbible.com to do so. Thousands upon thousands of different sound effects can be found at this website. Now, exactly here, you must click the royalty-free sounds option. This will lead you to a page where you can utilize all of the sound effects in any way you desire. More significantly, you will be able to monetize your YouTube videos utilizing them if you do so. That is to say, you can profit from them. Anyway, all you have to do now is choose which of these sounds you'd like to use in your video. To give you a tip, return to the prior channel and listen to the sound effects that he has uploaded. You have a better notion of what to use for your YouTube videos this way. You can, for example, look for a mouse click. And as you can see, this site now includes mouse click sound effects in its soundtracks. You can also listen to a sample of the sound effect by using the play button. If you enjoy what you hear, simply click on the sound you want to download and then click here to download it in MP3 format. By the way, one thing to keep in mind when you're looking for sound effects to use is to make sure the audio file isn't too long. They should last no more than 7 to 8 seconds, and the majority of the time they should last about 5 seconds. And that's all the information for the sound effects. Now it's time to go on to the next platform where you can get plain images for your video. There is no better platform for that, in my opinion, than Google.com. I want you to go to Google and enter the word sound in the search bar. After that, select images. Make sure you follow these instructions first. Click on Tools, then click on Usage Rights, and finally click on Creative Commons Licenses. This is crucial because Google will now display images that we can freely use on YouTube without fear of copyright. Simply choose any of these images that you like and save them to your device right now. To do so, right-click on the image and select Save Images As, and you're done with obtaining sound effects and your image for your videos. It's now time for you to visit the next platform we will be employing, which is called CODEWORD.com. This is a website where we can merge the image and audio to make a 5-second video that we can then submit to our YouTube channel. To do so, go to this page and click on Video Maker. On the next page, click Choose Files and then open the image you downloaded previously. After that, you'll be transported to the editor, where you may add audio by clicking on the Add Audio button in the bottom right corner. After you've added the audio, simply click Export to save the movie to your computer. Combining the video and audio takes a few minutes, as you can see. You'll be able to submit your video to your own YouTube channel now that you have it. Now that we've reached the end of the video, I've prepared a special treat for those of you who have stuck with me this far. You'll make a lot more money if you use this method. Go to file-upload.com right now. You can post a variety of files to this website. This is where you will be compensated anytime someone downloads a file that you have published. To explain how you can make money, everyone who wants to download a file you've posted will first view a series of advertisements, and the ad revenue will be split between you and this website. So, what exactly are the files that we're going to post to this website? The sound effects files we've uploaded to YouTube are exact files we'll be uploading to file-upload.com. That is it for now. If you follow all these procedures, you'll be on your way to earning $25,000 or more in no time. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions and how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.